I've been tagged by Survival Preacher to do a pocket dump. So, here we go. Phone, business cards, debit card, driver's license, money, lighter, what else we got here? A mask in case I go out in public, pain pill, what else we got here? Hard candy. I get dry mouth sometimes, don't have water. Gobstoppers. Got a Indian charm with some tobacco in it. I came from Grandma's funeral out on the reservation. Got batteries. Knife. Smoke log outdoors. Multi-tool. It's a Gerber. I think that's it. Nope. What do we got here? Got another Gerber. Gerber curve. Fat wood. So we got in our shirt pocket. Tums. Hand sanitizer. There you go. There's my pocket dump. Candy, batteries, phone, Toms, mask, good luck charm, all that goody good stuff. And if you're curious, in my bag here, I got a hatchet. I already got my saw out. Don't know where I set that down. I got hair clip, money pouch, hatchet. That's it for that pocket. Bandages, in case I cut myself. Ferro rod and striker. I think that's it. That's it on my pocket dump. Just a quick mention, if any of you are still watching, I'm doing postcards again. They're going out next week. If you want to be in the bundle, shoot me your address. I'll send you a postcard. Stickers included. Don't be shy. Send me your address. I promise I won't stalk you.